Mas lumalakas yung anxiety ko lately, especially kapag kasama ko si Sec Kim.
That's because you're holding back. You need to stop lying to her. The truth will release you from your anxiety. Donnie, it wasn't your fault.
Well, it's not just that, Doc. In my head, alam ko namang wala akong kasalanan sa nangyari kay Sec Kim. And also, she hasn't blamed Ninja Boy even once for what happened.
And what is it?
Sec Kim!
Doc, what if sabihin ko sa kanya yung totoo, then she starts remembering things? I don't want her to be like me.
So what? What is so wrong about you?
Doc, I'm not perfect. I'm constantly haunted by my trauma. I'm on meds 24/7. I can't form any proper relationship with anyone. I can't even kiss the girl I like. Doc, I'm a mess.
Brandon, you are not a mess. You are suffering from PTSD. Sakit yun. And it's not you.
I just don't want her to live a life like this. Like mine.
Is that really the case, Brandon? Or are you just really afraid of rejection? Look, no one knows how Kim will react kung nalaman niya ang totoo. Iba-iba ang reaksyon ng bawat tao.
I'm not gonna risk it.
Hindi naman po kayo ibang tao sa akin, Sir Cyrus. Tinulungan niyo din naman po ako dati. Kaya kung ano man po yung maitutulong ko sa inyo, gagawin ko po.
You should have said something sooner, Brandon. Well, it's too late now. I have feelings for her.
Anya? Is everything okay?
Deserve ko rin naman maging masaya, di ba, Ma?
Of course. Deserve mo lahat ng gustuhin ng puso at isip mo. Pero ngayon, gusto ko nang umalis bago pa uminit ang ulo ng daddy mo. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes po, Sir Walt. Dala ko na po ibang collaterals. Sinintay ko na lang po sila, Steph and Jordy. Thank you po. Yes po, Sir Walt. Got this po. Thank you po. Okay.
Sorry. May pinadaanan pa kasi Sir Philip eh.
OMG, girl! Such a slay. You were giving!
Oh my God! Ano ka ba? Small things. Tsaka 24/7 naman tayo maganda. Nag-ayos lang talaga ako today kasi may event tayo.
Oh, for the event or for someone else?
Bala kayo na ka nagpapaganda. I'm for someone else.
For someone else?
Ewan ko sa'yo. Sorry.
Ay, nako.
Sabi din kami ha.
Sure.
Kami?
Si Maya pala. Taga-marketing. May space po ba?
Yeah, I think meron pa.
Jordy, pa-help naman ako. May kailangan kasi si Miss Jane. Akyatin ko lang.
Sige, sama kita. Uy, hintayin niyo kami ha. Halika.
Kay Marisakay. Nahanap na tayo ni Sir Walt. Dali na.
Paano sila Jordy tsaka Maya?
Maya. tayo. Mamaya na sila, may second trip naman. Halika na! Halika na!
Sir Walt, where are we on the preparations? Na-brief mo na ba si Inigo?
Ito na nga, inassign ko si Sarah para dun sa host pero hanggang ngayon wala pa.
Just assign it to Miss Jane. Kaya niya yan. Kakatawag lang sa akin ni Miss Sarah. Nagkaroon daw siya bigla ng rashes today.
Allergy? Kung ano-ano kasing kinakain?
Sinabihan ko naman na siya na magpa-check up na rin siya kaagad para malaman niya na rin kung ano yun and para safe na din para sa atin.
So we're one man down.
Ano yan, sige? Huwag na kayong mag-alala. Team B the best tayo, di ba? Kaya natin to.
Okay, Kim Marie, please make sure na sabihin mo sa akin kapag nandiyan na yung host. And also make sure to coordinate all of the interview questions kay Miss Jane kasi very particular si Madam Carlota at very strict sa mga pwedeng itanong kay Sir Cyrus. Okay?
Pero I thought kay Morpheus po ako naka-assign.
Special request si Madam Carlota si Sec Kim. Siya ang aalala kay Sir Cyrus. May ETA na pa si boss?
Kakatawag ko lang kanina kay Baldo. Kanina pa daw sila nakaalis ng bahay.
Okay po.
Steph, pakiremind na lang si Sir Philip na siya mag-welcome ng mga VIPs natin. And, Steph? Steph?
Focus!
Yes po. Noted po, noted po.
Noted. Wait lang. Yes? I think they're here.
Si boss?
No, si Sir Cyrus, and he's looking for you.
Okay, sige. Kayo na munang bahala, okay? Sir Walt, ikaw na to.
Yes. Guys, listen up. We have 20 minutes till showtime.
Okay, sige. What? Oh, this looks like another successful event.
Oh, wag okay congratulate mo. My son did all the work.
Sandro, you remember our son?
Oh, Brandon, am I right? Your father can't stop talking about you.
Compadre, this is my eldest son. The one who followed his dreams and succeeded. Cyrus, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, but his fans simply call him Morpheus.
The best-selling author.
Yes.
It's an honor to meet you. My daughter's a big fan.
Pleasure's all mine, sir. Ano, compadre, makita tayo mamaya?
Okay, yeah.
Enjoy yourself.
All right.
There's champagne and canapes there, okay?
Okay.
Oh, the parks are here.
Long time no see again.
Nice to see you, Mr. Park. Mrs. Park, welcome to the event. You know my wife Carlota and my son Cyrus.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Well,
Shall we?
yes. Shall we? Yes.
Ang ganda po, Sir Cyrus. Ang gaan pong basahin. Very heartfelt, tender, and very honest.
You're too kind.
Opinyon ko lang naman po yun. I'm sure magiging bestseller po ulit yan.
First time nila makikita ang mukha ko bilang si Morpheus.
Pag kinakabahan ho kayo, tingin lang po kayo stage right. Nandun po ako para i-cheer kayo. Sige ho, good luck later.
Sandali. I was hoping I could talk to you. May gusto sana akong sabihin sa'yo. Donnie.
Boss, andito na po pala kayo. Pina-check lang ni Sir Cyrus yung speech niya para mamaya.
Well, if he has to do that, then maybe he's not as good a writer as he claims to be.
Boss, Second, Sir Cyrus, magsisimula na po yung program. Dito lang po tayo sa gilid to standby.
In the tempest sea of life, she became my anchor. Once adrift in the dark currents of despair, she arrived as a glimmer of hope.
He's so giving, Miss Kim. He looks so inspired.
Grabe ka naman mag-fangirl. Naisip mo pa talaga yun?
Pakinggan mo kasi siya sa Kim. He's literally talking about the girl. Kung sino man siya, she's the luckiest.
Her eyes held the serenity that calmed the storm within me. She saved me from drowning. With her, I found not just my inspiration, but a reason to live. In her, I discovered the love that redeems. And in her embrace, I vowed never to be lost again.
Very moving indeed. Very moving. Well, it's my honor to finally meet you in person. Speaking of personal, you mentioned before na lahat ng sinusulat mo is based on your own personal experiences, right?
Well, most of them.
Oh, well, earlier, you were talking about a girl. Totoo kaya siya? Is she real? Buhay na buhay kasi yung pagkaka-describe mo sa kanya. A girlfriend, perhaps?
No, not yet. But she's very special to me.
Siya ba yung babaeng kasama mo nung na-kidnap ka noon?
Excuse me?
I was told kasi na you went missing for a couple of days nung bata ka, tapos siya ba yung kasama mong babae noon?
Saan naman nanggaling ang tanong na yan?
Well, you know, these are just questions that your longtime fans want answered. Am I right? So, is it true? You were kidnapped as a child, and that became the basis of your first best-selling novel, which is based on your dealing with your personal trauma, correct?
Wala sa script yan.
Inigo, can we please stick to the approved questions? Nod if you understand. Nod if you understand.
We didn't know na true to life naman pala lahat ng ito. So, were you kidnapped? Can you confirm it?
All I can say is this. Yes. There is indeed a woman. At siya yung inspiration ko kaya ako sinulat ang librong ito. She's actually here with us today.
For real?
Kimberly, ikaw na bahala dito, ha?
You have to tell us who she is. Give us a name or else hindi kami makakatulog nito.
Girlfriend reveal! Oo nga, girlfriend reveal! Girlfriend reveal! Girlfriend reveal! Girlfriend reveal! Girlfriend reveal! Girlfriend reveal!
Don't make a scene.
Robert, ayoko nang inaambush ang mga anak ko.
This should stop.
Carlota,
I'm not gonna let this happen.
Ay, ma'am.
Bakit niyo ba ako hinaharangan? Kakausapin ko yung host niyo.
Madam, kalma po muna tayo.
Hindi ba siya na-brief? Paano nakalusot sa inyo yung mga tanong niya?
Yan nga po ang inaalam namin ngayon. Pero kalma po muna tayo, madam.
Opo, yes. Mag-inhale, exhale na lang po tayo.
Oo nga po.
Inhale, everybody. Exhale.
Excuse me. Hi, Inigo Castro, right?
Do I know you?
No, but I think the question you should be asking is, how well do you know the Castillos?
Inhale. Exhale, drop your jaw.
Boss?
What are you doing here? Just go back inside.
Boss, may kailangan lang po ako sabihin sa inyo.
Go back inside. That's an order.
Boss! Boss, sandali. I'm not here as your secretary. Andito ako para magpaliwanag sa'yo.
You don't have to explain anything. And I told you, I can handle it.
Alam ko. Sa tagal natin magkatrabaho, alam ko rin kung nasasaktan kayo. Ayoko sanang magkahiwalay tayo na mali yung iniisip mo. Gusto ko lang ipaliwanag sa'yo na kaya umiiwas ako sa lahat ng mga parinig mo. Sa panliligaw mo. Hindi yun dahil kay Cyrus. Wala siyang kinalaman dito.
Then, what are you trying to say?
Hindi ko lang kasi naiintindihan yung nararamdaman ko para sa'yo noon. Pero ngayon,
paano si Ninja Boy?
it doesn't matter. Ikaw ang pinipili ko, Brandon.
I saw the line of 1,000 other dreams coming true. Nervous faces and dark races. Can I come through? Used to dance on my own. Thought I was all alone. Then I found your new faces. Don't know what my place is. When the world was telling me no, you pushed my heart to just go. Now for sure I know. Now here with you, found something new. Through the dark nights, the highlights, you're my lifeline as we take our flight. Let's paint the sky in different lights. nights, holding on to all that we could be. Gonna make it bright. Found something new through the dark nights, the highlights. You're my lifeline as we take our flight. Let's paint the sky and turn the lights. Hold on to all that we could be. Gonna make it bright. Now here with you. Found something new through the dark nights, the highlights. You're my lifeline as we take our flight. Let's paint the sky and
Pinilit lang ako ng isang reporter para tanungin yung mga tanong na yun. Sino? Troy Sebastian.
Troy, dapat tutulungan mo lang ako mahanap kung sino yung batang kasama ko, di ba? Bakit ganito yung nangyari? Troy, umamin ka nga sa akin. Bakit mo ginagawa to, ha? Para ba to sa career mo, ha? Troy! Kailangan ko makausap si Sir Robert. Gusto ko mag-sorry sa kanya.
The only time na pupuntahan natin ng parents ko is pag pinahalala na kitang girlfriend ko. Kimberly Liwanag, will you give me the privilege of being my girlfriend? Good night.
To be with you, and only in yours as our as you love me.
Anak.
Dapat ba sinabi ko yung totoo? That it was Brandon. Not me.
I really don't know. But what I know is your heart was in the right place. Inako mo yun lahat para people would stop bothering Brandon. Pero naintindihan ko rin ang kapatid mo. Kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan niya to be where he is now. So, I don't really know. But what I know is, kung palalalain nito ang problema niyong magkapatid, yun yung mali. Is something else bothering you bukod sa nangyari sa Idea X? Secretary Kim?
I think it's time to forget about Secretary Kim now.
Bakit naman? Anak, bago ka sumuko, lumaban ka muna. Does she even know how you feel?
Bakit naman siya magigilty? Hindi naman niya kasalanan na si Raulo yung Troy.
That's what I said.
Yung kapatid mo, ang balak mo doon kay Cyrus. Bro, this is the second time na inako niya yung sa kidnapping, ha? Wala ka bang balak sabihin kay Sir Kim? Lalo na ngayon na...
Ano kami na?
Kayo na?
I was gonna tell her the truth. I mean, I was about to, but then she hyperventilated because she was feeling guilty about what happened.
Hala?
If talking about the kidnapping was enough to make her hyperventilate, then paano pa kapag nalaman niya yung totoo na ako talaga yung kasama niya?
Bro, di kaya natatakot ka lang na magalit siya sa'yo?
Philip, I'm not gonna upset her more than necessary. Just let sleeping dogs lie. In a few days' time, makakalimutan niya naman na to. We're gonna make new memories and she's gonna forget about the past.
Sigurado ka ba dyan, bro? Sorry pero it seems to me na hindi lang si Kim ang affected ng trauma. Parehas kayo eh.
I'll be fine.
Bro, mahirap yung maraming tinatago kaya hindi ka makatulog eh.
I said I'll be fine.
Lovey, mauna na ako, ha?
Oo. Saan ang lakad mo?
Bay, ka-meeting lang ako.
Sino? Pabigla-bigla naman yan?
Si Troy Sebastian.
Give me 10 minutes.
Carlota, wag na.
10 minutes!
I'm sorry. Sa nangyari kagabi.
Wala ho kayong kasalanan, Sir Cyrus. Totoo nga po niyan, nahiya po ako sa inyo eh. Kung hindi po ako nagpatulong kay Troy, hindi po sana nangyari lahat yun.
Nagpatulong ka because you wanted to remember, right? Walang mali doon. And besides, it brought us closer together, right? Secretary Kim, I didn't come here to apologize. I came here to ask you out on a date between adults.
Sir Cyrus, hindi na po kasi pwede.
I really like you, Secretary Kim. We can go wherever you want. Do whatever you want. Brandon. Does my mom know?
Hindi pa po namin nasasabi.
Then I won't say a thing.
Sir Cyrus. Salamat nga pala sa lahat ng ginawa ni Ninja Boy para sa akin. Thank you.
Sorry bro, hindi naman natapon.
It's fine.
Bro? Mahal mo na ba?
Of course.
Bro, tatasan mo ba yung sahod ko? Ay, sorry.
Sir Philip.
Diyan ka na pala. Sinicheck ko lang kung magigising. Pero mukhang di pa nakaka-recover sa pagod kagabi.
Ako na pong bahala. Sige po.
Okay, thank you, Sir Kim.
Sige po, Sir Philip.
Where are you going?
Nagtutulog-tulugan lang po pala kayo. Kinumutan pa naman kita.
Hindi ba dapat nasa bahay ka? Nagpapahinga. Come. Stay here. Rest.
Hindi pwede nagtatrabaho. Brandon, baka may makakita sa atin.
No.
Nasa opisina tayo. Ano ba? Ikaw... Ano to?
I give you an interview, and you leave my family alone.
1 interview.
Sir, ang ganda po ni Miss Laura ngayon ha.
Okay, sige. Namimiss ko siya.
Talaga po? Eh bakit po nung kayo pa parang lagi po kayong stress tuwing uuwi kayo? Di po kayo nangit eh. Terror po kayo, ganun.
I don't care kung anong pinag-usapan niyo ng dad ko. I'm not here because of my family. I'm here for Sec Kim.
I had no idea na you're that protective over your staff.
She's not just my staff. She's my girlfriend. And I want you to stop using her for your own ambition. Let's go.
Brandon, ang daming tao. Tara. After 9 years, dami po ng trabaho dito. Wala na naman po akong time. Resignation letter ko.
Why? Me? Iiwan niya? Imposible.
Nag-resign na po ako.
Bakit? You can't let her resign.
Nasaktan mo siya. Nakita ko siya maluwa-luwa.
What's wrong with Secretary Kim? Yung resignation mo, you said personal reasons. Then ano yun?
Time for myself to mingle.
So gusto mo na mag-asawa?
Yes po.
Then marry me.
Kapag po.
I know how to stop her. The Brandon way.
Hindi totoo yung meeting with Mr. President.
I wanted to do something special for you.
Bakit po?
To apologize. After ng blockbuster date namin, Secretary Kim! No man will ever measure up kay Sec Kim.
More feels?
You read it?
Meron kaming erereto sa'yo.
Pabalik pa lang sa atin yung kapatid niyo, ipamimigay niyo na kagad sa iba. I-cancel niyo yan.
Be the best!
Hindi ka pa naglalaro. Mukhang dehado ka na.
Pogi niya, no? Mukhang may baby powder.
There's always a reason why people leave.
So, are you two official?
Tapatan mo nga ako? Type mo ba yung boss mo? Type ka ba ng boss mo?
Hindi.
Easy ka lang, ano?
Si Morpheus, my love!
Last time I saw you, problemado ka din.
That's very intriguing.
It is. Stay away from my secretary. She deserves better. I'm driving you to work.
Sorry talaga, boss. Hindi ko...
Please.
I love you till the end. It's more than just a feeling.
Sabi mo, stay lang tayo sa boundaries natin. Paano kung ayoko?
Love